Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a close look at a device that's designed to bring order and efficiency to various aspects of life, the DP26 label maker machine. This isn't just any label maker. Its compact, portable design means it can go wherever it's needed. Whether one is organizing a pantry, labeling files at the office, or even on the go for a small business event, the DP26 fits right into a bag, making it incredibly convenient for any task. One of its most impressive features is the thermal printing technology. This means no more expensive ink cartridges to replace. The DP26 prints crisp, clear labels without a drop of ink, which makes it remarkably cost-effective and low maintenance in the long run. The labels come out sharp and professional every time, ensuring that whatever is being labeled looks neat and organized. Connectivity is a breeze with this machine. Thanks to its Bluetooth capability, it pairs seamlessly with both Android and iOS devices. One simply downloads the intuitive app, and within moments, they are ready to design and print custom labels. For those who prefer a desktop experience, it's also PC compatible, offering maximum flexibility for different users and workflows. This broad compatibility ensures that almost anyone can integrate the DP26 into their existing setup without any hassle. But the DP26 is more than just a basic label maker, it's also a versatile sticker maker. Users can create custom stickers for crafts, product branding, or just for fun, adding a creative touch to various projects. For small businesses, the barcode printing capability is a significant advantage. It allows for professional inventory management, pricing, and shipping labels, all directly from the device, streamlining operations and enhancing efficiency. Its utility spans across a wide range of environments. For the home, it's perfect for organizing spice racks, storage bins, or children's school supplies. In the kitchen, it helps keep track of food prep dates and ingredients. For school and office settings, it brings order to documents, folders, and equipment. Small businesses will find it an indispensable tool for various labeling needs, from product identification to asset tracking. The accompanying app is notably user-friendly, offering a wide range of fonts, templates, and customization options. Designing a label is surprisingly quick and enjoyable, allowing for personalized touches with ease. The print quality is consistently sharp, and the labels adhere well to various surfaces, ensuring durability and longevity. The DP26 label maker machine truly stands out as an essential tool for anyone looking to bring order and efficiency into their daily routine, whether personal or professional. Its blend of portability, ink-free printing, smart connectivity, and versatile applications makes it a top contender in its category. If one is in the market for a reliable, feature-rich label maker that simplifies organization, the DP26 is definitely worth considering. It's a smart investment that pays off in time saved and a more organized environment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.